Welcome back to the Alpha Glam. My name is Ifeoluwa Dekunle, a professional makeup artist and your go-to person for everything skincare, beauty, gele, and lifestyle. And if you are all about skincare, beauty, gele, and lifestyle, you are definitely in the right channel. And in today's video, guys, I'll be doing the most requested video on this page, which is gele tying videos. And in today's video, I'll be tying my Ankara scarf. And actually, I was thinking, should I just narrate what I am doing as usual, narrating the video, how I am tying and all, or just do something different? Let's talk about a fun story. Let's talk about something motivational. And I think I want to do a fun story and something motivational in today's video. I don't just want to narrate. And yes, I am using rubber band to tie this Ankara into two. Yeah, so I believe this video explains itself, so there's no need to narrate it and show you, oh, this is how I am doing this is how I am doing that. It is easy to grasp and you will see it by the time I start tying this gele. Yes, so for Ankara is a beautiful material. Ankara just signifies a lot. It signifies culture, it signifies beauty, it signifies a lot. When you see people with Ankara scarves, and funny enough, there was a time in this country, there was a time in Nigeria where every lady owned a closet filled with colorful Ankara scarves, like colorful Ankara scarves, colorful Adire scarves, and they can just put a simple outfit together and tie Ankara scarf on their head and they look as chic as possible. Yeah, I think we need to bring that back because now everybody seems to be wearing the same thing everywhere, and I feel like that's really boring because life is colorful and we don't need to all wear the same thing. It makes everything look really boring. Yeah, so this is me just saying, if you have beautiful Ankara scarves inside your wardrobe, it is time to bring them out and flaunt them, that people will see you and know that, oh yeah, this is a chic Nigerian babe. And honestly, you don't need to tie your Ankara to a perfection. I don't know how to explain this. I believe everybody has their personal style, everybody has their personal taste, and that is why I love when unconventional gele started, knowing that everybody can do things that will suit their own style. And really, having your own style is very important. It really also shows when you are tying gele, tying Ankara, tying everything. You just allow people to know that, oh, this is you, this is your person. It does not allow you to look like you are following the crowd or you are just that head mentality that we currently have now. Nah, it just differentiates you from a lot of things. And that is why in this video you can see I am tweaking this Ankara scarf. I'm trying to see what will look good on me, what will look nice on me. Previously, I was thinking that, oh, probably I should make it high, I should make scruffles and all that. But later, I just saw, that was not given. So instead, I decided to fold them into each other, make sure everything is neat. And what I always say in all my videos, make sure your Ankara tying looks neat. If it is neat, you are ready to go. Honestly, your neatness, your arrangement is all that matter. And you can see from this Ankara scarf looking like it was not going to look good. See how it looks like now. It's giving me this northern vibe look, and the coils of my hair, the makeup and everything just makes it sit well. And yes, guys, we have our first style. Yes, this is style one of this Ankara series. Yeah, and I love it. And you can see the back, everything is neatly arranged, everything looks good and put together, and that is what you want to achieve. So bring out your Ankara scarves, ladies. Like, let us even start tying our Ankara scarves again. And yes, here's another style that I tried tying. This one too, there was a way I wanted it to come out, and you would notice at some point I was like, oh, okay, it's not giving what I wanted to give. Let us just try something else. And yes, I tried something else, and guys, I can't wait for you to see the end result of what I tried, because there was something I was trying to paint in my mind, but when I saw it was not looking like it. I just had to change it. I just had to switch. Yeah, and this is the point. I was tired. Honestly, there's a lot of strength that goes into tying of gele, tying of Ankara, and that is why most of the time I try to shy away from it. Even though I know that is what most of you like, guys. It is quite stressful tying Ankara scarves. It is quite stressful tying ashoke. It is quite stressful tying geles, but because I know you love it, that is why I keep doing it. So I would like you to encourage me by just commenting. When you drop your comment, when you like the post, when you do this, I'll know that, oh, okay, you guys are feeling it, and it will motivate me to do more. But if I don't see any comment, if I don't see any like, I'm just like, okay, these people don't really like it as much as that, so let me just focus on my makeup videos. So guys, see the turnout of how this gele looks. See how it looks now. Like, I really do love it. Yeah, very nice style, very sweet style. And funny enough, this was not the look I was going for, but because I have the ability to tweak, I have the ability to make it look the way that will suit me. Yes, I have the ability to share this is my own personal style. That is why we have it here. Yes, now guys, we are moving on to the finest styles in this video, and it is quite easy. Just take the width of your gele and tie it very well, tie it properly at the back of your head. Yeah, and when you do this, you can recreate any style that you want. Very easy, guys. Like, just make sure you tie it at the back of your head, you are good to go. And yeah, that is what I am doing here. And guys, can you see this makeup on my face? Like, ah god, I've just been staring at my face already, and I've been like, Omolo fine by, meaning, is this girl that is this fine? Yeah, I'll be dropping a makeup video about how I created this makeup look. Let me know if you like to see it. I'll be showing you the products, the steps, the process, how I achieve this beautiful makeup look. And yes, right now I am trying to just get beautiful pleats on this Ankara scarf, the hand. You have to make sure you get the pleat, and that is where the beauty comes from. Like, I will re-emphasize and I will reiterate, tying your Ankara scarf is about neatness. When you are neat with what you are tying, you can get away with any style. Just make sure it is neat and presentable, and you are good to go. And guys, this is me just turning, and we are good. We've achieved a beautiful gele look. Like, I really like this style. It's just really nice, really simple. Right now, I'll just try to create small micro pleats. It does not need to be pleats itself, but something to just give that illusion of pleats. And yeah, you are fine, you are good to go. Yes, and that is it. Really, tying Ankara is not difficult at all. It is one of the easiest materials to tie, unlike gele or ashoke. This is very easy. And yes guys, this is our style 3. I really do love it. I really do love it. Like, I really like it, and I really hope you do too. If you like this style, let me know. Can you drop it in the comment section? Let me know if you like it. And you can see the way I've danced, you know that, yeah, I love it. Yes, this is it for our style 3. And you can see how the back of this Ankara is also neat. Yes, the style is also very neat, so you are very good. You don't have that fear of the fact that it is going to fall off your head. Nah, it cannot fall off your head. Yes, so still with this same process, I'll be recreating another style that I feel like I have done severally on this channel, but not with this method. And this method, I just realized that this method is quite very easy. So I'm just twisting it, and I'm going to put it on top of my head. Yeah, but it is actually easier doing it this way than the regular method that I do on this channel. So if you have been watching my gele tutorials previously, you will know that this is looking quite easy than what I usually do. Yeah, so I'm trying to do that on my head, and it's still giving that northern vibe. Guys, I feel like I look like a northerner. Some people always call me Ghanaian sometimes, but I feel like I look like a northerner. And yeah, this is the style. Nice, sweet, easy peasy. These gele styles are quite very easy, so if you want to achieve them, yeah, you should not be any stress at all. Yes, so guys, here is the truth. Sometimes Ankara is a lot like life. Sometimes the fold doesn't sit perfectly for the first time. You have to adjust, you have to try again and give it a little bit of love, and suddenly it comes beautifully together. Isn't that how life works too? Nothing has to be perfect at the first trial. You have to just keep adjusting until it fits you. And while you are watching me tie this, let this be your reminder. You are allowed to shine. You are allowed to take up space. You are allowed to be bold, colorful, and completely unapologetic about who you are. Yes, Right now, I'll be tying another style just with the same process I have used, and you will see this method I used in tying this Ankara styles today just the best. Very easy, very nice, very sweet. Yeah. So let's be honest. Tying Ankara sometimes feels like a mini gym session. The talking, the pulling, the weight, it is a whole lot. But the magic is when you catch yourself in the mirror afterward. That smile, that glow, that main character moment. That is what makes it worth it. And half the time you are tying this, it is not just for fashion. It is for that slay that makes you say, yes, I did that. Because sometimes the confidence is in the head wrap before you can even say a word. Period. Yes. So guys, we are about finishing this video, we are about finishing this tutorial, and I am finishing this up. I want you to know something. Ankara isn't just about making a statement, it is a statement itself. It is bold, it is versatile, it is powerful, just like you. So when you are rocking it at a wedding, styling it for a casual day, or wearing it because you feel like being extra, and actually you actually deserve to be extra, and that is why I am still saying, bring out all your Ankara scarves and let us start tying our Ankara scarves and just look colorful and beautiful to work, to celebrations, to events, to anywhere you are going to. Let me just remind you that you're a working art. Your presence alone is already the glow. The Ankara is just the crown. And really, when you tie Ankara on your head, you would notice you look like you have a crown on your head. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and you felt the vibe. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe for more. Also, kindly drop a comment below and let me know if you want me to try other Ankara styles or maybe pair them with different looks, because trust me, this is just the beginning. We are going to keep serving looks, culture and confidence. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed these styles and you enjoyed this tutorial and also this voiceover. I just wanted to do something different than narrating. Yes, and yeah, we did it. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like I said earlier, don't forget to drop your comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.